Hi, my name is Alita Maristani, and I'm an Associate Director of SkillSpring. SkillSpring is a workforce development program that helps individuals get their CNA, Certified Nursing Assistant certification. We have two programs. We have a high school program and a young adult program for individuals 18 through 27. We are located on 106th Street between Amsterdam and Columbus. We've been around for over 20 years, and if you want more information, you can go to our website at newjewishhome.org.
Hi, my name is Khadija Sise. I'm the Senior High School Program Manager of the SkillSpring program. The SkillSpring program serves high school students in 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. We offer a host of different services such as SAT prep, tutoring, professional development, team building activities, and a CNA certification. We also offer college prep and a senior paid internship.
My name is Richard Burgess. I am the workforce trainer of the SkillSpring program, and through our program, you'll be able to learn about the medical career pathways, as well as certify as a CNA through Lehman College. The Certified Nursing Assistant certification allows you to work in any nursing home or hospital throughout New York City and gets you a leg up when applying to colleges and getting ready for your career in the medical field.
Hi, I'm Gashley, a 12th grader here at OCS, and I participated in the SkillSprings program for 3 years. Not only did I gain my CNA certification skills, which I'll be able to use in the near future to work and put on my college resume, I also gained a lot of interactive experiences with different kinds of people. The program taught me professional skills, and the SkillSpring staff are very supportive in helping their students accomplish their goals.